Hi, you may remember a video from a couple of months ago where I had built a shelf and I did part of it wrong, so I had to paint it to cover up my mistakes. And I did not film myself building that shelf because at the time I didn't think it would be very eventful. This might not be very eventful, but I am going to film myself building this shelf. Just because. A lot of our kitchen storage problems would be solved if we just had a pantry, but we don't have a pantry. So we have to come up with other solutions, and one of my current solutions is just buying another shelf. And it's gonna go against the wall behind this table, and we're gonna put stuff on it because we need somewhere to put stuff because our kitchen is just full of stuff right now. So, oh gosh, it's kind of heavy. I got this shelf from Walmart. It was $23. Assembly required. We're gonna build it today. Why is there so much tape involved? Do they think people are gonna open the box and steal the parts of the shelf? Where are my scissors? I brought two options in case one of them doesn't work. Ow! Pieces. Was that a spider? They have an ad. And then here's the instructions. Okay. That's a shelf, it looks like. That's another shelf. I am determined to do this one right. It smells like a furniture store. Okay. Think we have all the parts? No, we don't. Okay. Now do we have all the parts? Maybe. Okay, we're gonna put the block over there for now. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, everything is labeled. This is the kick panel. You know, for kicking. The top panel is A. B is the bottom panel. We have two left side panels. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Right side panel. Well, maybe this one will be easier because it's like half the size of the other one. Tools needed to assemble. Hammer. What? Okay, this is what the other one said last time, and it says, do not use power tools to assemble your furniture. Last time it said not to use power tools, and then I did it anyway. So, also the heat just came on, and yes, it is loud. No, I'm not going to turn it off because it's very cold, and I'm already cold. But maybe I'll work up a sweat building this shelf. Gotta get a hammer. Got a hammer. Insert hardware into part A and B. Okay. I don't think they drilled the holes completely. Am I supposed to use a hammer for this? So like how far into it is it supposed to go? Oh. Oh. So is that one supposed to go that far too? I'm scared. Now it's crooked. Okay. Hope that's right. Okay. Alright. Okay, got it. Easy. Okay, here we go. Here. No, we don't go. Goes a little bit. Gonna use the hammer. Ah! There we go. Okay, so far so good. Okay, step 2 insert the same wooden peggy things into this. 3 of them? Okay, I can do that. Easy enough. 1, 2. Three. Okay. That was dusty. Attach F to B. Okay. That's A, so not that one. Attach A to B. Okay, if I repeat the instructions to myself a lot, I can make it easier. Okay, that's... See, look what we got. We have attached... Did I say A to B? I meant F to B. This is F and this is B. It says B on this little sticker thingy. And this is F. Okay. So far, so good. Step 3. Attach A and B and F into part D with supplied Allen key. Now I'm confused. So, okay, the Allen key part, I got that. This is him. This is Allen. D, okay. Wait, okay. Part 6 and part 1. What? 6. What? Part. I'm determined not to mess up this time. So, I'm nervous. Unfinished edges face up. Yes, let's make sure we have that part. Let's make sure we have that. I think this is going to be shorter than I thought. But it's fine. Unfinished edge faces up. So this is the unfinished edge. This is it, right? Okay. And it faces up. So that means I'm confused. I mean, it can't be that hard, but I'm just like terrified of messing up. That's my problem, is I'm scared of messing it up again and having to use more paint on something that doesn't need more paint because it already came painted. Okay, so it has this one facing that way because it has the kicker thingy. That goes like that. I think. Okay, that kind of makes sense. All the unfinished edges are facing the same way so far, so we're gonna keep going. And that's gonna go. Oh heck. Okay, almost there. Not really. Okay. Okay. Come on, friend. Okay, I think we got it. We just have to like attach it actually. Because it's kind of floppy. But that's okay. Because we're gonna make it work. Righty tighty. Left, right. This way. Right, okay. I know I'm not the only one who does that. I don't want to hear it, Dad. Something has gone wrong. That one's not going in. Why is it not going in? I don't understand. Suddenly things are not okay. Okay, I'm having an issue. Let me show you what the issue is. So I didn't have a problem with this side. The screws went in and they're in tight, and that seems pretty stable, solid, whatever. The problem is with this side, the top one of these, I guess the factory does it, but they didn't drill all the way through, so that guy is not wanting to go in, so I'm gonna have to figure out, I don't know, I might need a power tool for that. The instructions say no power tools, but reality has decided otherwise. So now I gotta figure out how to use this. Again, it's fine, I've done it before. I think it might need to be charged, but it will work for our purposes, I think. Ooh. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. What do you mean? It's still not working. Why though? Why? It's still not working. Okay, I think the hammer solved the problem. So the back is on, my hair is falling down, but the important part is that the shelf does not. So I think all we have to do, other than stand it up, is install those two shelves. So, yay! Ta-da! Would you look at that? Ta-da! I did it! And I didn't mess anything up this time. Yay! Okay, now I gotta put stuff on it.